Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friend, today I want to show you how to fix Hisense is stuck his logo only the stuck here. See there is not showing menus. How to fix this problem this on Hisense. I want to show you model number Hisense U965 is new model. To solve that problem today I want to show you how to solve that problem. After then you are see then now press power button and volume up button same time press. You see now is press the volume down button and leave it and wait just a minute. It's showing setting, is showing now setting. They go to factory reset, now go to down there and reset data everything and go to down reboot file everything. You see is rebooting all file. Now after then again I go to down and press this button and again make it this file open. See there now make it on. See there is make it on or now is wait. You are only just 2-3 minutes. You see now is solved that problem. Now 100% is solved that problem. See nicely now making next. After then making next I think so you have Google ID also remove it that Google account. You don't have any Google account then again making setting. Again making setting. Now everything done. You see is making setting now. You see is done this job now. 100% is your phone is open. And please subscribe the channel, also hit the bell icon, never miss any videos. Okay.